Okay, types of acid and base reactions by Stacy's mom and Jesse's girl. Acids and base make water and salt, so they neutralize each other because they end up making water and salt. And then people use indicators a lot because they're clear, like in this video. Wait, is it recording?
You picked the longest video. Okay.
It was 7 minutes.
We're just gonna skip ahead a little bit. Okay. So basically, they put different colors in, explaining that.
That's the red is the acid, the indigo is the base, and then the green is the water.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna skip ahead a little bit more.
Where did they do it? Right there? We're gonna go there. Okay, so they combine the acid and the base, the purple and the pink, and it ends up making the same color as the water is when he adds the right combination.
And it was just showing if, like, how you mix the two, it creates water. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, can you read this?
Yeah, that's all. That's all
Alright.
there was to it.
Well, basically, they took 7 minutes to explain that, and we did it in like 30 seconds.
True that.
Next is acid and carbonate. Acid plus carbonate makes salt plus water plus carbon dioxide, and that's a reaction between an acid and a carbonate forming a salt. Carbon dioxide and water as the only products. Reactions of the products are formation of bubbles, gas, and salt solutions, and it also leaves the product cloudy. Carbonates are used to neutralize acids during purification procedures and also I can't even say it. Anyways, and here's our acid carbonate reaction. And
Before we do our butter, we have our safety equipment, including gloves and aprons. For this procedure, we have baking soda, red color dye for our lava, and vinegar. This is the base because we're doing an acid-base reaction. And then this is our vinegar. Let me turn it red. And now lava.
Change it faster.
Okay, and then we did the acid-metal relationship, and when acids and metals react, they make hydrogen and salt. And then there's just a more specific one under that. And then the reaction between an acid and a metal forming a metal and a salt as the only products, which was just shown by the equation.
And then an example.
Yeah, the hydrogen is produced in a vapor, and then the salt is just produced as salt.
Here's
another link.
Acid metal reaction.
Do not attend at home, although you're at home.
Okay, this guy can't open the bottle, and he takes like a minute to do it, so I'm just gonna skip ahead a little bit. Still trying to open it. There they go. Okay.
Not quite there.
They're pouring hydrochloric acid into, I don't know, and they have aluminum in the bottle, and then after a minute they're gonna see how it reacts together.
That's good to close the cap as tight as possible. Yeah, you might want to wash your hands. What is it? Hydrochloric acid?
I didn't know you could buy hydrochloric acid.
Yeah, it's fine.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry. Yeah, I was watching. Sorry. Faster.
2 minutes.
Let's decrease the volume. No, it's going. It is going. It's going. All right. We gotta cut out. Scoop back the camera. Back up. Now. Big time.
That was my ear.
Quick scissors.
This is an example of like how different types of metals react, and it tells you, it'll explain how they all react differently. Sodium, the metal bursts into flames, and it's a very strong reaction.
Copper does nothing.
Magnesium, the metals react quickly with the acid, producing lots of bubbles.
Okay, and then lead, the metal reacts very slowly and doesn't really do much.
Same thing with iron, but producing a few bubbles. And that's the end of our presentation.
Yay. I have.
Wait, how do you?
What did you just do?
Was it not recording that whole time?
Oh my god. No, it was. Oh, I'm gonna kill myself.
Oh my gosh. No.